Gimana? Sudah dikasih satu lagu? Ada yang mau nyanyi? Di depan? Terima kasih para emasnya. Gimana? Mungkin yang ulang tahun hari ini. Gimana? Mama? Aku panggilnya mama ya. Oh nyanyi mama? Boleh kalau mau nyanyi? Karena ibu berdua boleh atau kamu sesama juga boleh. Mau nyanyi lagu apa boleh? Mau ambil boleh banget. Selama bisa kita bawakan kita dan kita bawakan. Kami kasih ya. Hari ini banyak banget aku yang ulang tahun hari ini. Tadi di sini spesial ya. Tapi kan nanti ya itu apa lagi ya? Ya betul ya. Mau nyanyi sama yang lagi ulang tahun? Belum bisa melambaikan tangan. Saya belum selesai itu sudah tidak. Gimana? Mungkin destinasinya mau request lagu aja atau mau menyanyikan lagu? Enggak juga. Oh ya, mungkin nanti di private room ya mungkin ya. Oke, ini apa? Oke deh, sambil aku ingetin lagi ya, nggak bosan-bosan aku mau mengenalkan destinasi yang ada di sini ya. Boleh setiap hari datang aja ke NDK ya, boleh banget setiap hari di sini. Terutama di malam minggu, biar ngomongin lagi ya. Malam minggu kan daripada bingung mau kemana, jadi dijadikan rutin aja. Dijadikan kita wajib aja setiap malam minggu kumpul-kumpulnya bareng besi-besinya, bareng keluarganya, bareng ayahnya, bareng temannya, bareng selingkuhannya, bareng temannya ayah, bareng ayahnya teman. Iya. Ya, pokoknya setiap malam minggu dijadikan agenda wajib aja langsung ke RDC ya. Gak usah mikir mau kemana ya, daripada tidak ya apa ayo ya daripada nanti tidak pasti jadi mending cari yang pasti aja karena setiap malam minggu selalu pasti ada di sini ya guys ya. Yang kan tadi bawa ada yang baru datang juga, ada tante di sana juga, ada iya selamat menikmati ya. Mungkin sambil nyanyi boleh dong, kalau boleh pas lagu aja boleh. Nanti bakal kita bawakan juga apa sama-sama ya. Ini tadi juga ada beberapa request yang belum sempat kita bawakan ya. Mungkin nanti dari PR juga buat kita. Jadi minggu depan kalian kesini lagi aja buat yang belum dibawakan lagunya. Jadi sini ya.
Bro, satu. Bro.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My stride. life, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough